Most brides settle for dresses off the rack. I'm not most brides. When it comes to your wedding day, your gown should be as unique as your love story. Toronto is home to world-class bridal shops that specialize in custom wedding gown designs, creating dresses that are truly one of a kind. Choosing a custom bridal shop isn't just a decision, it's a bridal power move. It's saying yes to a dress that doesn't exist yet, but will soon become the embodiment of your dreams. But how do you find the perfect shop for your dream dress? That's where Bridal Q comes in, your guide to Toronto's best bridal boutiques. From dramatic trains to modern jumpsuits, Toronto's boutiques can create any look you imagine. Expert designers make the process magical and stress-free, guiding you every step of the way. The creation of your gown is more than a purchase. It's a once-in-a-lifetime experience you'll treasure forever. Expert designers listen, sketch ideas, and select every fabric, button, and bead with meticulous care. From dramatic cathedral trains to modern two-piece silhouettes or vintage-inspired lace details, anything is possible. Visit bridalq.com to discover Toronto's top-rated bridal shops and start designing your dream dress today. Because your perfect gown is waiting to be created, as unique as your love story. Ready to start your custom gown journey? Let Bridal Q connect you with Toronto's top bridal shops. Start your unforgettable wedding dress journey today at bridalq.com, where dream gowns come to life. Or scroll down to discover Toronto's top custom bridal shops handpicked just for you.